Hello students, today we are going to learn some short questions in chapter 7. First of all we see what is group polarization. The answer is a group gets stronger as a result of discussion in the group. This strengthening of the group's initial position as a result of group interaction and discussion is referred to as group polarization. Okay. The next question is, what are norms? The answer is, norms are expected standards of behavior and beliefs. Norms are expected standards of behavior and beliefs established, agreed upon and enforced by group members. In your family, there are norms that guide the behavior of family members. These norms represent shared ways of viewing the world. The next question, state 3 conditions which facilitate group formation. The answer is, basic to group formation is some contact and some form of interaction between people. This interaction is facilitated by the following condition. First we see proximity. Repeated interaction with the same set of individuals give us a chance to know them and their interests and attitude. Common interests, attitude and group are important determinants of your liking for your group members. Next, similarity. Being exposed to someone over a period of time makes us access our similarities and paves the way for formation of group. Thus, the reason given by the psychologist for group formation between similar people, liking between similar people is when two people are similar, there is consistency and they liking each other. For example, you like playing football and another person is in your group, in your class also loves playing football. There is a matching of your interests. There are higher chances that you may become friends. Another explanation given by psychologists is that when we meet similar people, they reinforce and validate our opinions and values. We feel we are right and thus we start liking them. Next point, common motives and goals. When people have common motives or goals, they get together and form a group which may facilitate their goal attainment. Suppose you want to teach children in a slum area who are unable to go to school. You cannot do this alone because you have own studies and homework. You therefore form a group of like-minded friends and start teaching these children so you have been able to achieve what you could not have done alone. Okay? Next question. Describe any two elements of group structure. The answer is two important elements of group structure are roles and norms. First we see roles. Roles are socially defined expectations that individuals in a given situation are expected to fulfill. Roles refers to the typical behavior that depicts a person in a given social context. Then, in a role of a son or a daughter, there are certain role expectations when in that role. An example is, as a daughter or a son, you expected to respect elder, listen to them, and be responsible towards your studies. Next, norms. Norms are expected standards of behavior and beliefs established, agreed upon, and enforced by group members. They may be considered as a group's unspoken rules. In your family, there are norms that guide the behavior of family members. These norms represent shared way of viewing the world. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.